This is Emma. This is also Emma. Emma is a very smart robotic vacuum cleaner made by Trifo. Emma Pet is a special version made for homes with furry creatures like this.
Checking.
Emma's smart sensors allow her to clean efficiently and effectively, moving around your home up to 3 times faster than randomly navigating robot vacuums. Emma actually learns your home and creates a map. Emma Pet has 4,000 Pascals of suction. That might not mean much to you, but it's actually twice as powerful as most robot vacuums. Emma Pet is perfect for picking up dust, dirt, pet hair, and tumbleweeds in a single pass. Emma's slim body allows her to easily remove dirt hidden under tables, beds, couches, or anything higher than 3.8 inches. Emma's long brush and 6-claw side brush create a 9-inch cleaning path, which cleans rooms quicker. A larger dustbin means less frequent emptying. Emma's 2600 mAh lithium battery keeps her vacuuming for up to 110 minutes. And when Emma gets tired, she automatically returns home to her charging base to prepare for her next cleaning.
Checking.
Emma works seamlessly with Google Home and Alexa. Alexa, Emma on. So you can actually clean with your voice. With the Trifo Home app, you can create and control cleaning schedules, suction power, Emma's voice volume, and monitor cleaning status. It's free and very easy to use. Most importantly, Emma Pet is officially Emma Dog approved. Emma from Trifo.